If you are a Jeep Cherokee owner looking to enhance your vehicle stance, stability, and performance, wheel spacers are one of the best modifications you can make. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right Jeep wheel spacer size? The Jeep Cherokee is an incredible off-road vehicle, but the factory wheel setups may not provide the best stance for parents or larger tires. Here's how wheel spacer can enhance your ride. Improve stability. Widening the track width reduces body roll, making your Jeep more stable on and off-road. Better aesthetics. Spacers push your wheels outward, giving your Jeep Cherokee a more aggressive stance. Brake and suspension clearance. Larger brakes or custom suspension setups may require extra space for proper fitment. Enhanced off-road capabilities. A wider stance increases the traction and improves approach angles on rough terrain. Not all wheel spacers are built the same. BONOSS has developed advanced active cooling wheel spacers that offer patented cooling grooves. These especially designed grooves allow air to flow through, helping to dissipate heat from the brakes. This improves brake performance and longevity, especially during off-road or high-speed driving. High-strength sport aluminum alloy. BONOSS wheel spacers are made from aerospace grade 6061-T6 or 7075-T6 aluminum, ensuring lightweight durability and high load capacity. Precision machining and SGS tube test report. BONOSS wheel spacers are CNC machined to 0.02 mm accuracy, ensuring a perfect fit with your Jeep Cherokee Hub. Besides, BONOSS wheel spacer has passed over 70 SGS tube test reports. Customized options. BONOSS offers a wide range of thickness and bolt patterns to match different wheel setups. Upgrading your Jeep Cherokee with BONOSS spacer is a smart way to improve both performance and aesthetics. With the right size selectors and active cooling technology, you get enhanced stability, better heat dissipation, and a safer driving experience. If you found this guide helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.